So we went to Kroger and got the Ferreo Roche. It was about $4 and it's the variety kind. And my little sister only likes the original version, but today she tried the dark chocolate and I had the coconut. And look at her. Is it good?
Yes.
Is it your favorite?
Yes.
Why do you love Ferrero Roche so much?
Because the Ferrero Rochers that Kroger has is the best because they come in mixtures, so you can try new Ferrero Rochers, and so you don't have to stay with this one. And if some people like the dark ones, that's for you.
What's the difference between those two, the gold and the brown one, taste wise?
This one is dark chocolate, and this one is milk chocolate.
And are both of them good, or
both of them are good? And
like,
in the
you
chocolate
recommend
one,
them both?
Yes. And the chocolate one I tried just today, but these ones I have tried all my life. And then I don't like coconut, but my sister does.
And it was delicious.
So she thinks it's delicious. So you guys comment down. So if you guys like these and you get recommends,
yeah, you can always comment, like, subscribe. Can I have some of your Ferrero Rochers, the originals?
No.
You're not gonna share the original?
No.
Will you share the dark chocolate?
Yes. Of course.
Wait. Oh, okay. But you won't share your original?
I only got one more left.
I know. Can I have it though? Don't you love me enough to give it to me?
I'll let you have a bite.
Y'all see this? And
no.
That's why Ferrero Rocher, wherever y'all are, we need some more Ferrero Rochers, okay? You want to make your case to them? Tell them why you need some more?
I need more because they're delicious. Please. Look, they almost gone. It's only one more left. See? I ate 3. Only one more left. And only 2 more left of these.
Okay.
And only 3 more left of these.
Is there anything else you want to say to your fans? It was good.
Get Ferrero Rochers! They are delicious! Just get them!
Why are you hollering at your fans? Okay, y'all.
Okay. You just want to see me devour this one?
You really finna eat the last one? Let me get some.
No.
Stop playing. Let me get a bite. Why is she so like this? Give me some. Let me get some.
Here you go.
Really? Just a crumb of the shell. Y'all see how she do me? That's that sister love. Yeah. And we love Ferrero Rocher. You want to do the heart? You do the other side. No, you make the other side with your hand.
Love you.